Hello, Legacy 2000 students and families. It's Mr. C in France. I'm here in the Teachers Lounge of Legacy High School on a Wednesday afternoon. It's not too exciting in here. You got some couches and a globe and some books and a bookshelf somewhere in here. I'm just sitting here all alone. I got my math shirt on. Math puns are the first sign of madness. If you don't get it, you'll get it by the time you graduate. And I thought I'd make you a quick little video here today to just explain some more math questions and math placement sort of questions. I've been getting a lot of those, and that's great. It means you care about what you're doing and you want to be in the right place. So what you're looking at here is all of the math courses we offer at Legacy High School. And you want to really focus on that main sort of trunk of it. Those will be the classes that you'll be taking on your journey. Those other ones, discrete math, business math, and mathematics for liberal arts, tend to be a little bit more offshoot classes if you're not being quite as successful in the normal math placement tree right there. So all we need to decide between now and the start of your high school journey next year is where on that little ladder you're going to start. Are you starting in Math 1, Math 2, Math 3? Lots of different factors at play here. It can be confusing. And so I do not mind if you have any questions, if you reach out to me. Here is what would happen if you were in regular 8th grade math and you do nothing. You just fill out your schedule and you show up in August. Your schedule for a 9th grader would be Math 1 as a single period all year long. And then if you did nothing after that, you would sort of default to Math 2, Math 3, trig pre-calculus. We would hope that you would do this option that's on your screen, which would be Math 1 as a freshman, and then you would take the option to do blocks as a 10th grader. That would get you into an AP math class as a 12th grader, which we would hope you would take that opportunity to do that. If you don't want to do nothing, if you want to try to test into Math 2, you can take this pathway, and that would be starting in Math 2 and 3, and then ending at Calculus 2 or AP Statistics. You notice that it scoots you up by a course from that prior one. This is the option that you would get if you did test into Math 2. There is no Math 2 year-long option for freshmen. There are really good reasons for that, and if you would like to find those out, feel free to give me a call and I'd happily have that conversation with you. But you cannot be a freshman who takes Math 2 year long. So that's your option there. If you're in honors Math 8 and you do nothing, then your schedule would be that on the screen. Math 2 and 3, trig pre-calc, AP calc, calc 2 is basically what those students on the prior screen did if they had placement tested into it. If you want to try to test into Math 3 and you passed, you would get into this sort of scenario: Math 3, trig pre-calc, AP calculus, calc 2, and AP statistics. And as we had noticed on this one, sorry, I glitched there for a second, you don't really get any further on in your math career, but you do open up an extra class in that freshman year. Okay, it just keeps rolling. So if you're in geometry right now or a Math 2 equivalent and you do nothing, you would start in Math 3, and that would be your schedule. If you want to try to test into trig pre-calculus, then that would be your schedule. Let's keep going. If you're in Algebra 2 or a Math 3 equivalent and you do nothing, then this would be your high school schedule. If you just leave everything alone, we'll put you in the right place. We'll know where you are. If you want to try to test into AP calculus, you could do that, and that would be your schedule. Heck, if you're already in trig pre-calc or a Math 4 equivalent, then you would start as a 9th grader in AP calculus. If you wanted to try to test into calculus 2, we'll give you the test, and that would be your schedule. And I guess 12th grader, you have to go to Front Range because you would run out of math classes to take here at Legacy. So Math 2 placement testing is in August. If you are the regular Math 8 who wants to jump into the Math 2-3 block, that test is in August. That is a special circumstance reserved only for L2K kids in this position, okay? You're the only kids who get this offer. I will be sending you the Math 1 review materials to study over the summer if you want to do that, so that we can get you on track for AP Physics as an 11th grader, if that's an option you want to take. By no means do you have to do this. By no means is it a disaster if you do not do this, but it's out there for you. That test date is right there on your screen. All other math placement testing. So if you are a Math 2 kid who wants to test into Math 3, a Math 3 kid who wants to test into Math 4 or trig pre-calculus, any of those options, that is coming up on Wednesday, April 27th at 1:30 p.m., not a.m., in Mobile 4 on the east side of Legacy. And so here's your QR code to scan if you would like to register for those. Doesn't hurt to register. I'll be contacting you guys all over and over again about all of the nuances. Again, happy to answer any questions that you might have. So let me know. Thanks, guys. Hope you're doing well.